Hey guys, so I went on a little spending spree and picked up a few more motors real cheap. We got a 1993 5 horsepower that's in pieces. And it's put back together and has a unusual problem. And the way I'm going to do is I'm going to make 3 separate videos. And this video is going to be mainly talking about the 8 horsepower because I think it's going to be the easiest one to get running right now. This one will run. And this is a 1987 Briggs 8 horsepower. It's got an updraft carburetor, but it's missing the elbow here that would come up to the round air filter, and it's missing the gas tank. I can take parts off the rod flipper and put the updraft carburetor back together completely. This is a 1979 11 horsepower Model 25. And I got this mainly for that mini tractor I got, as you've seen in one of the other videos. So the video on this one will be put in with that one too, because this will probably end up on it. And the main reason for that is it's got, first of all, pull start, and I can put a regular electric starter on it, and it's got an alternator on it too, so it'd be perfect for that tractor, better than the engine that's on it. And this supposedly doesn't smoke or anything, so we're going to find out about that. Don't know about this one. He said it ran. And this one he said had a stuck valve, but there's more wrong than that. There'll be more detail in the video on it. Like I said, for starters, we're going to concentrate on this one for right now. But these videos may not be complete. Like I was talking about putting the whole air breather on here in the gas tank. I'm not going to do that just to get it running, because it ain't going to be used for nothing at the moment, except making a video on. So we'll just concentrate a little bit on getting it running and see what we got to do to them to complete them. There's something wrong with all 3 of them. Like I said, I got them pretty cheap. I only paid $10 for this one, and $40 for that one, and $50 for that one. So I didn't do too bad, I don't think. So $100 for 3 engines, I didn't think was too bad. But okay, so it's missing. It's got a way too long of a linkage on here for the governor, so there's basically no throttle control on it right now. So throttle control is going to come off just to get it out of the way. Don't need it right now. It wasn't hooked up, it's probably still good, just we don't need it right now. This is a shut-off wire somebody put on there. Spark plug's loose. I did check it for spark, but we'll show it on camera here. It's got a weak spark, but I think we'll just need a new plug, because this plug's kind of foul. It's got a J17 in it. I usually use a J19 or a CJ8 and something like this. See, it's got a weak spark, so we're going to go ahead and try a new plug, because this one don't look too healthy. I got a pretty new plug here. I think I tried it in something and just put it back as an extra one. Oh yeah. And now the recoil's not catching. You see the recoil quit catching. Sometimes you can turn the engine backwards and get it to catch. There we go. It probably just needs oil like that one I did in a couple videos back. You can see how to fix this problem. It's not catching. It's a pretty simple fix. I ain't gonna show it on this video. But anyway, muffler is loose on it, so that's good in case I need to change it. I don't have to worry about fighting rust. We'll give it a shot of carburetor cleaner and see if it'll try to do anything. It does seem like it's trying to. It was doing better than that earlier. So I guess we'll get a gas tank hooked up and just see what this carburetor will do. Maybe it won't need clean. We'll just have to see what it does. And anytime you get a used engine like this, don't forget to check the oil in it before you actually try to start it. This one's real low, so I want to top the oil off first, so just keep that in mind. Alright, so I just put it in the floor here so I can get the gas tank in the vise there, make it a little easier. So now we're going to see if that float's not going to stick or not. See what happens. These are bad about sticking. Yeah, let's see what she's going to do. A little choke. Well guys, I think it's got potential. It's spoken just a little tiny bit, probably where it's been sitting for a while. But I could tell by the smell of the oil and how the plug smelled it ain't been ran for a long time. It seemed like the float might be sticking, so I might have to work on that later on, but at least I know it will run. It ain't smoking real bad just when you throttle up, so it might clear up after it's run for a while, but it's got real good compression, so that's probably all it is, and it probably needs oil change. But before I can change oil, I gotta fix something else I just seen. We'll look at that here in a minute. For some reason, the oil drain plugs have been cut off, and the other one's like that too for some reason. So I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna change oil in it. Might be able to take a nut right there and weld it on there just to get something to grip it and take it out like that. I'll probably just get a kit for the carburetor. Looks like it's seeping gas around this gasket right here, so get a kit for the carburetor and rebuild it and fix the float problem. I think I'll have a good running engine. Get the right linkage for it. Like I said, I can take the breather off that other one and put on there. So I think this might be a pretty good engine. So, well guys, that's all I'm going to show in the video for right now. I got other videos on how to rebuild this type of carburetor, and maybe next summer or something we'll get it back out and get it running a little bit better than that. But I just wanted to see what it would do. Well guys, thanks for watching. If you got any questions or comments, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So catch you later. Thanks for watching.